Hey everybody. Um, no. So we got a weather prediction today for second episode, possible storms, because we got some couple storms. This one looks like it's dying out, popping off. We don't know. This one looks like a storm. This one looks like a storm almost. We're gonna check out the lightning and lightning everywhere. We're gonna reinforce it because this is like 20 minutes ago. So this is only for a few minutes. That's it. Second part will be the longest. No clouds, none of that crap. Temperature will be still 0. Okay, so if we can look here, get these storm cells off of this. We're gonna check the radar. This one's been dying now. This one's been die, pop out, die, pop up, died. Okay. This one is another cell. That's not just this one. That's another one. But this one's direction is going down right here. This one's gonna go west of us. This one will be the same way, stronger, but I don't know. This one's gonna be like east of us. So these two storms gonna be like right towards us. It's not going this way. It's going around this way because we got a low pressure right there. And wow, it's raining down there. And wow, a mix of rain right there. And wow, it's 59 outside at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is 57. I don't know, it's warm enough. So yeah, it's warm enough to collect storms and lightning. Well, forecasts are not severe, but it could change. But there is a special weather statement right here. Possible severe weather possible. We're gonna look it out. Pea-sized hail, cloud lightning, heavy downpours with possible of the storm. These storms can produce severe weather. You gotta be kidding me. Very possible tornadoes can be sighted. Oh boy. They said we're supposed to get rain, but I don't think that's not gonna be. I'm in the new hard drive and it don't look right. That's why I go the weather bug every time. So, there might be a storm coming. Now this is cool, isn't it? Look at the lightning. There is some lightning in this one. There's some lightning in the ocean too. In Cuba, Puerto Rico, whatever. Oh, there's some lightning over here, but that's good. So yeah, we got some lightning down here. It's not dying. It's some lightning over here. We're gonna go right here and close it up. That's better. So, with this thing well up, there's some lightning. And they are not slowing down. That thing keep pushing this way, pushing and pushing and pushing. So it could be between here to here. Huge Mason. We're gonna work at the western Mason, and it looks like on the east side. And oh, we got some lightning in California. So we got some reports of lightning in northern California, and we got some lightning in Vancouver. Rest of it in the ocean and pretty land, some parts of Cuba. So stay tuned for more updates.